take a
Counsel.
sip from
Take your
my
Salabat, Counsel.
salabat cup.
You may also do the same, Mr. Ortonio.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. May I proceed, Your Honor? Okay, Mr. Ortonio, balikan natin yung sulat ninyo dated November 30, 2023. Which is Prosecution's Exhibit P-I-12-D. It's already there. It's already with you.
P dash.
I-12-D.
Yes, ma'am.
Diyan sa same letter na yan, sinabi nyo, and I quote, the OVP identified, okay. Sa letter na yan, sinikap nyong ipaliwanag ang pangangailangan nyo for confidential funds. Sinabi ninyo, and I quote, the OVP identified the need for the conduct of surveillance activities to enable to craft narrowly targeted and responsive programs that would ensure peace and order and prevent criminal activities, particularly those of organized criminal groups and communist insurgents. End of quote. Ngunit, you will confirm sa parehong sulat ninyo dated August 22, 2022, inamin nyo na nga na noong July 1 pa lamang, bago pa humiling ang OVP ng confidential funds, natukoy na ng OVP, sorry, in that same letter, I'm referring to that same letter. In that same letter, inamin nyo na as early as July 1, 2022, bago pa humiling ang OVP ng confidential funds, natukoy na ng OVP ang mga programa at aktibidad na nakatuon sa poverty alleviation, magabanta sa kapayapaan at kaayusan, at pagsulong ng kaunlarang pang-ekonomiya. Tama ba?
Yes, that's indicated in the letter.
Dagdag nyo pa, bilang katwiran, I quote, it was necessary to conduct surveillance activities to determine where best to implement its programs to maximize their impact and reach the isolated, underserved, and unserved areas. As such, in August 2022, the OVP submitted a request through the DPM for confidential fund budget for surveillance activities which are intended to support the mandate and operations of the OVP. End of quote. Tama ba?
Yes, that's correct.
Subalit, yung sa balik tayo sa letter nyo dated August 22, 2022, which is Prosecution's Exhibit P-I-4-A, you will confirm na dun sa paliwanag nyo, sa paghingi nyo ng confidential funds, nowhere there, o wala kahit saan man dyan, lumalabas ang salitang surveillance. Tama ba?
Based on the letter that we submitted, ma'am, there's no indication of the word surveillance.
Dahil nga, ang purpose na sinabi ninyo ay, and I quote, for in consideration of the safe implementation of the various projects and activities under the Good Governance Program and the conduct of official engagements and functional representation. Diyan sa same letter na yan, hindi rin sinabi na gagamitin ng confidential funds para sa identification of areas for program implementation. Tama ba?
It is not specifically stated, ma'am, in the letter, ma'am. Although in the letter, ma'am, there's already in consideration for the safe implementation of various projects and activities
Yes.
under the good governance.
Pero hindi sinabi dito na the confidential funds will specifically be used for identification of areas for program implementation.
Based on the letter request, ma'am, there's no specific explanation, ma'am.
And the explanation given was in fact for the safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building.
Yes,
Tama ba?
based on the letter request, ma'am, that's the wordings that were indicated.
And also, if you will refer to the fiscal and financial plan that you subsequently submitted to the DBM, sinabi nyo pa, nilagay nyo, sinaad nyo sa physical target, number of identified areas with surveillance conducted and monitored. Di ba?
If we will base it in the document,
Yes.
ma'am, yes.
So in short, kahit hindi nakalagay ang bilang, meron ng mga identified areas. May mga lugar nang natukoy dun sa physical and financial plan. Tama ba?
Ma'am, I cannot directly answer, ma'am, if there were identified areas already when the PFP was crafted, ma'am.
Okay. So punta na lang tayo ngayon sa August 22, dun sa dating August 22, 2022 letter. Na inamin mo nga, na as early as July 1, 2022, meron ng 7 satellite office na naitalaga. Sa Bacolod, Cebu, Dagupan, Davao, Surigao, Tacloban, Zamboanga. Tama ba?
Yes, based on the letter that we submitted.
And in that same letter, naglaki pa kayo ng Annex A na parehong sulat ng aktual na benepisyaryo ng medical assistance linggo-linggo mula unang linggo ng July 22 hanggang sa mga sumusunod na panahon. Tama ba?
Yes, this is the projection that we submitted.
At nakalimbag din sa item 3 ng same letter na yan na 3 pang karagdagang satellite office. Ang augmentation ng libreng sakay, 3 OVP food truck, at Peace 911 sa Marawi. Tama ba?
Yes, that's indicated in item number 3 for the additional positions.
Okay, so even before the confidential funds were released or bago pa mailabas ang confidential funds, meron na kayong mga na-identify na paglalagyan ng mga satellite offices. Tama ba?
Yes, there were plans already
And pagro-rolloutan ng mga programa ng OVP.
for
Tama ba?
activities.
Diyan sa November 30, 2023 letter din ninyo, sinabi nyo, and I quote, "The OVP opened exploratory talks on the surveillance activities to be conducted and identified information agents to be engaged. The OVP built its information database and established a network of information agents. As such, when the requested confidential funds was released on December 13, 2022 through SARO BMB-C-22-001-2004, the OVP was able to finalize definitive agreements and obligations based on the plan." End of quote. Inilarawan ninyo sa sulat na yan ng exploratory talks. Tama ba?
Yes, this is based on the information from our security officer.
Sinabi nyo rin, information agent na identified kasama ng information database, network of information agents. Tama ba?
Yes, as provided by our security officer.
Okay. Again, wala ni isa man dito ang nabanggit sa August 2022 confidential fund request. Tama ba?
Based on the initial request, no information indicated.
At wala rin kahit alin man dito ang lumalabas sa PFP for 2022. Tama ba?
When you say, you mean, ma'am, yung...
These items, these words, information database, network information agents, identified agents, walang kahit anuman na lumalabas.
Yes, ma'am. Based on the document presented earlier, ma'am, no such wordings, ma'am.
Okay, hindi rin kayo nakilahok sa supposed exploratory talks na ito. Binatay nyo lamang ito sa kung anong inireport sa inyo. Tama ba?
I had no participation, ma'am, because on matters of security, ma'am, that is not my expertise, ma'am. So this is from our security officer.
Okay. In that same letter, as I've mentioned and as I've read, binanggit niyo rin finalized definitive agreements.
Yes.
Pero wala kayong ni isang isinabmit din na kahit isang definitive agreement. Kahit isa sa mga definitive agreements na inyong tinutukoy dito sa inyong November 30, 2023 letter. Tama ba?
Ma'am, when you pertain to definitive agreements, ma'am, you mean documented agreements, ma'am?
Yes. Kasi para maging definitive agreements, kailangan cast in stones. Ibig sabihin, nakasulat siya.
Ma'am, in terms of any documentation or documented agreements, ma'am, there were no documents that were provided, ma'am. And as to how our agreements were made on the ground, ma'am, again, I cannot provide any information.
You will confirm that from the time the SARO was released on December 13 to the drawdown of the check noong December 20, 2022, itong araw lamang ang naglapse. Ang posisyon ba ng inyong opisina sa loob ng 7 araw na iyon na finalize ninyo ang definitive agreements sa supposed nationwide network ng mga ahente na inyong binanggit sa inyong letter?
Ma'am, as to how the agreements were finalized or made, ma'am, that I cannot provide an answer, ma'am, if those were done within the 7-day period.
Okay. In that same letter, for the first time, you also denied that the 2022 confidential funds were spent in just 11 days. And your explanation was, and I quote, on December 20, 2022, a cash advance for confidential fund was drawn to facilitate payment. Please take note of these words. For the obligations already incurred. Hence, the 125 million confidential funds were fully utilized for expenses planned, implemented, and paid during the 3-month period, meaning October to December 22, and not within mere 11 days, as what the audit observations may have suggested. End of quote. Nakalagay yan sa inyong sagot.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in terms of...
No, it's okay, Mr. Antonio. I'm satisfied with your answer.
Your Honor, please.
Yes, counsel.
Can the witness be allowed to answer?
Your Honor, the witness already satisfied the
The
question.
question was
It's
answerable
already
by yes or
answered.
no. You will be afforded your chance, Attorney Christine, during your cross to make him explain that point.
So you
Proceed, counsel.
mentioned earlier obligations, quote unquote, already incurred and expenses already paid. So ibig sabihin, ng already incurred ay nangako ng magbayad ang OVP bago pa mailabas ang pera. Tama ba?
Ma'am, I cannot specifically say, ma'am, because arrangements made on the ground, ma'am, I have no personal knowledge on it.
Pero ilumagda ka sa letter na yan, di ba?
Yes, ma'am. Again, ma'am, these information, ma'am, came from the information from our security officer. ma'am.
So, ibig sabihin, sinulat mo lang mechanically eksaktong words na finid sa'yo ng kausap mo. Ganun ba? Na hindi mo naintindihan kung ano yung sinusulat. Tama
Ma'am,
ba?
First, ma'am, hindi po siya mechanically na sinulat ko lang po kung ano yung sinabi. Of course, ma'am, based on the information that was provided to me, ma'am, yun yung nilatag ko doon
Yun
sa
yung
letter,
nilatag mo.
ma'am, for the drafting of the letter.
Counsel, allow me. Kayo po ang gumawa ng sulat, Ginoong Ortonio, di ba? Pumirma kayo. Kayo
Yes, Your
gumawa?
Honor.
Kayo po ang gumawa ng sulat?
Yes, Your Honor.
Base sa nakuha niyo impormasyon kay Gina, kay Colonel Lachica, at iba pang opisyal. Ano pong ibig sabihin niyo dyan sa pahayag niyo yan? To facilitate payment for the obligations already incurred. Ibig sabihin, may utang na, babayaran na lang. Na-incur na yung expense, babayaran na lang.
Sir, based on what was shared to me, sir, hindi siya utang, no? But arrangements have been done on mga activities that will be done, and then the payment will be done once the money would be available already.
Mr. Ortonio, what do you mean by obligations already incurred? Anong ibig sabihin para sa inyo nung sinulat niyo yon? Obligations already incurred. Sa
Arrangements.
simpleng salita, bayarin.
Ano, sir, what I meant on this statement, sir, is that there are already